So today we're going to be flying to a grass strip, and it'll be fun. I haven't flown in a little while. It's been like a week or so. We're at OSU right now. It's a Monday morning after the 4th of July weekend. So took the day off, and we're just going to go out and have some fun. It's a great day today. It should be super nice all day. So we're just going to buzz around.
State Tower, Saratoga 2905 Bravo is holding short, ready at 27 left.
05 Bravo, State Tower, only 27 left, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading for now.
Clear for takeoff, 27 left, we'll fly runway heading 05 Bravo. Instruments are green.
Yes, sir.
Airspeed's coming alive. 60. Pilot for 90.
Nice feeling.
49, I have clear stuff. Trailblazer 49 is clear for Providence, speeds follow, maintain 3000, expect level 39010.
Hold that notch out.
Departure 125.95, stroke 675.
Let her build a little bit, then I'll pull that prop back. Line runway heading.
Traffic out of Saratoga about 5 miles to the southwest, inbound 31 Freeman.
I got the one right at the airport, right directly in front of us.
Yeah.
Marion, RV on final 13 Marion.
Yeah, you definitely want to keep your eyes out for those, right?
Yeah. Well, that's why the terrain's nice on here.
Yep. Yeah, I don't have my terrain shirt on, but...
That's fine, I'll watch for you.
Wayne County Cardinal 081 is entering 45 downwind, runway 28, Wayne County.
40 Shan.
And we'll turn before we get there, though.
Yep. Plane 6. Oh, you do? Yep. Nice.
So I'm thinking it's actually right there, that nestled in there.
Yeah, I think so.
To the
It's on
left?
the other side. Is it on the other side of that tower?
I think it's on the other side of that tower, because right now we're kind of turned.
Airport right now?
Yeah, we're going to come back this way. It's in that little valley. We'll see where the silo is down there. I'll bet it's right down in there.
Okay. Good luck. Good job. Yep.
And Freeman traffic got a Saratoga entering a downwind for 31 Freeman. Yeah, I don't see it yet. It should be just on the right side of that tower on the hill. So once we turn, it's going to be on just the right.
Yep. Cherokee 5853 uniform, turning left base degree. Wayne County traffic, Cardinal 081, turning final 28.
I'm just going to get extended out. That way I know we got time to find it, right?
Yeah.
Fox Hotel, 2 mile at base 4, across the county.
I don't hear anyone else in the traffic, so or see them, so we should be okay.
Okay, I'm going to have to make my left base turn.
Yep. And if we don't see it, we'll just fly around again.
Yep.
I expected it to be a lot easier to see. I almost didn't think it would be in the hills here.
Oh, that doesn't surprise me. It's Butler. I mean, where does it show me relative on the...
So if you keep this turn coming around, you'll be extended center line. So you got to keep the turn coming around all the way to 310.
Yeah, but I think it's down over here. I think it's right
It's
down
just
this
on the
valley.
right side of
Is that it
the...
right there?
I think it is. I think that's it right there. Yep, that's it. So you land... And you can always do a low pass and we'll look it over if you feel like it.
Union County, Champ 66 Echo, 3 miles to the northeast, inbound for 45, downwind runway. 1 mile, 28.
That is it, right?
Yep, that's it. You don't want to land this long, so.
Yeah.
Said you don't want to land super long here.
No, I'm good though.
You're good. Alright guys, so we just landed here at Swank Farms, Freeman. I think it's Freeman traffic. Pretty awesome little grass strip here. It's about 3,000 feet long, so it's not super short, but it's 100 feet wide, so it's super, super nice. But it's just really cool because there's a path into town and a bike path that people are riding on. We can see them going past, so just parked under the shade. There was a guy in a Cessna who was about to leave when we landed, so he came on the radios and said that he'd move out of the way and we could have the shade from this tree up here. So we just parked the plane right there in the shade. Runway's behind me there. It's just really cool. There's a barn. It's a guy that has a farm, and he just has it. It's a private airport, but it's open to public, so you could just fly in and out of here as much as you want. I think we're gonna walk into town and see if we can find a restaurant and grab some breakfast, but yeah, it should be super fun. We are at the Wiffle Tree. It's a little restaurant here that we walked about a half mile to. I don't know what we're gonna get. Josh, take this while I put my mask on. Do your part. Wear a mask. We're in a pandemic, people. Put your masks on. Up breakfast, and now we're gonna head back to the plane and chill out a little bit. We'll have to redo the weight and balance calculations since we just added about 10 pounds each. Yeah. But yeah. Fremont traffic out of Saratoga taking 3-1 for departure, Fremont.
Get my feet off the brakes. Instruments are all good.
Lots of rudder, keep it coordinated, get that nose off. Hold it there.
Underbuild.
Very good. I'm looking for the terrain ahead. You clear that way? I'd say probably.
Left. Yeah, we'll go to left.
We'll go left.
I'm gonna get that first notch of flaps out. second notch is out. We just have to watch these towers right here to our left.
Yep.
Yeah, we got off with plenty of runway left.
Yeah. I was looking, it came off right there at like 60-ish.
Yeah.
Just what you want. Alright, you're clear to turn this way now. You can pull your prop back. Yep, you can pull your prop back.
Okay. Nothing right in front of us, right?
Correct.
Tower-wise?
You got one little tower there, but we're above it.
Yeah, I see that. We got the two off to our left. We're just watching those.
Yep, and then I have it on here too, so you don't have any more towers.
Yep.
There's that little one there, but you're above it. So you can probably go on course, I would say.
360.
That's a cute little airport there. I can't even see it now.
Right.
It really is hidden down there. Alright guys, so we're going to be shooting some approaches now. We might include that in another video if you want to see us doing approaches. We're still both training for our instrument rating. But as far as this video, I think we're gonna end the video now. Hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the grass trip, and we really enjoyed making this video, so we hope you guys enjoy it. See ya.